Can we delete TikTok profile photo? In this quick video, we're going to be figuring out whether we can delete or remove our TikTok profile photo and go back to a blank default avatar. So let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Just tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on edit profile right under your profile photo and username. Tap on your current photo to change it. Here, TikTok doesn't let you fully remove the photo, but here's the trick. Just upload a plain blank image or solid color like gray or white. This makes it look like there's no profile photo. For example, simply tap on take photo and you can choose to put a blank photo like this, which can be black or white. And if you don't have one, just search for blank profile picture and save to your phone and put it like this. Click on save. And like this, your profile icon will be saved. And that's it. You've now removed your TikTok profile picture with just a simple trick.